Now I'll show you how to make an assessment in Myopnmath. And what I've done in the 98 is I just have a block called exam creation block. I have the previous video, and eventually the video we're watching right now there'll be a link there. And I've already made you some blocks, one for each of you to use. And it might be best just to stick to your exams in there. But if you did want to create a brand new assessment, you just click on Add Assessment, you title it, and you have all these dates. Now if it's online, there's so many things you have to worry about. But since this conversation was pretty much just making a print or an in-class exam, it doesn't really matter what you select there. But since we've already had the assignments, I'm not going to create them. So what you do is you just click on questions, and sometimes I like to sort them by clicking on description. And yeah, sometimes it might be kind of easier to tell what's on what exam. And if you're trying to make like random exam questions pulled from a bank, let's say all these diode graphs, I want the exam to pick one of these. I click on all four and then click Add, and then you just add as a question group. And now when you do create a print version, it will select one of these questions. All right. So that could be question 1. Now, the only way to get rid of these then is to actually, you have to delete them. Yes, I want to remove them. So let's say I know the specific questions I want to do for that particular exam. And yes, I really want to use I really want that to be question 1. I think I want that one to be, usually I put the power one 5th. I think I would like that superposition problem, and I like this Thevenin problem, just for instance. So those are like 5, I think. I can just select Add using defaults. Okay, I need a 5th question. Well, let's add the LED. All right. So now I have 5 questions that I can see what it is. Yeah, please don't edit the code because that will cause some issues. So if I want to create a print version just like before, just click on print version. I like generating for Word, and just convert to Word. Generating for the cut and paste, this just seems to be a lot harder. Okay. And so here, now yeah, I didn't select leave a line, so sometimes you have to add a space, right? And we talked already about page breaks. And yep, this particular problem is one of the harder ones. I don't really recommend it for the exam, although it's a great homework assignment. Here's a superposition one. Excuse me. Yep, you have to go back in and put the spaces. Now sometimes, though, since our Norton and our Thevenin are the same, I actually just get rid of these two and say, no, what's V-Thevenin, R-Thevenin, and what's the RL for maximum power transfer? Right. And like we had before, we put the answers on the back. Yeah, sometimes it just calculates out, 13 digits of precision. Certainly not implying that that's the level of accuracy of 10% resistors. But it shows you the answer. But yeah, how to derive it, yep, you have to do that yourself. But that should really help you get started. And if you want